much more I wanna say. A million questions to be answered. Do you mind I ask of you today? I want to know what makes you so beautiful to me. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Didn't have the words before I met you. Now my heart is filled with other trees. I'm learning to trust my feelings on my fears. I'm letting go. Can't step to heaven high above us. Midnight embrace all that I see. Come with me now. You're bringing out the magic in my soul. Please feel free to sing along. When your world starts to fall apart, look deep within your lonely heart. Do your best, my friend. Try and understand. It's only you who is so true. When you tell your story, make sure your story is right. Every little single word is true. See what love can do. Yeah. See what love can do. See what love can do. Yeah. See what love can do. For the words are in the music. Music is the song. So happy if we just get along. Yeah, yeah, yeah. A smile on every face. Oh yeah. So when you tell your story, make sure your story is right. Every little single word is true. See what love can do. They were taking a few of us back down memory lane. So this next waiata, I'm gonna take it back old school and do it a cappella. And when you're with the whānau and you're having a jam, and they just, if they know you can sing, they seek you out and they get you up and make you sing just about the whole night. So this is one of my songs that are my favourite waiata that I used to sing growing up. It's called Hine, so hope you guys enjoy. Hine tangi manoa ki ahau, Hine arohaina e te tau, me pine ai, te pine pai, wairu o te arohai, tamatangi manoa ki ahau, tamarohaina e te tau, me pine ai, te pine pai, wairu o te arohai. This last waiata, so I'm all about that soul and expressing it through song. And she's one of my favourite soul artists. So this is Etta James, I'd Rather Go Blind. Hope you guys enjoy this. Kia ora. Something told me it was over when I saw you and her talking. Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl. When I saw you and that girl walking around, yeah. Ooh. See, I would rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me, child. Yeah, yeah. So you see, I love you so much, I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. Most of all, I just don't want to be free now. Said I was just sitting here thinking, of your kiss and your warm embrace, yeah. When the reflection in the glass that I held to my lips now, baby, reveal these tears that are all on my face. Oh, and baby, I would rather be a blind boy than to see you walk away from me. Yeah. chorei te whananga mihinoi kaitai.